shit. This that Cha-Cha Tribe shit, return of the Mississippians. GodKing, Big Chief.
When I ride through the spot, all the eaters home. Told your bitch get off my dick, but she won't leave me alone. It ain't cold outside, I got my heater on. And if I ain't got the answers, then the teacher wrong. I got that Cha-Cha in my blood, but you don't know about that. From Alabama, where we shoot the coons and shoot the rats. When I talk, I sound like Huey, they ain't liking that. And I ain't Jesus, I ain't turning cheeks, I'm fighting back. He ain't gangster, he ain't tribe, he shooting, close his eyes. You need a pill to put in work, but you ain't about that life. I do voodoo, I see demons, I don't sleep at night. My body strong, I got them hands so they don't wanna fight. I fuck on witches, give me spells to send your ass to hell. Them bullet shells will leave you rotten, leave a nasty smell. I be smelling when I do it, make you think I'm happy. And I can't trust you in the field if your hair ain't nappy. We them real Indians, I got my people with me. Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, and Mississippi. Louisiana, Florida, yeah, you know we get it poppin'. We bloody rain, dance them, eat them, might just stick we make it rain on them. We make them come alive. It's either us or them. You gotta pick a side. And if you picking them, well then it's you or I. And if it's you or I, well then you gotta die. We make it rain on them. We make them come alive. It's either us or them. You gotta pick a side. And if you picking them, well then it's you or I. And if it's you or I, well then you gotta die. I got the all black on, I'm about to hop out the Kia. I got this bad Puerto Rican, put me on Santeria. I'm about to summon up a gin and send his ass out to eat ya. I got you afraid of the dark and got you calling the preacher. When my third eye open, boy, I turn to a creature. If I get my hands on your little boy, I'ma beat ya. Red-headed stepson, that's how I'ma treat ya. He started dating white girl, now he act like he need her. He be sweating, he be shaking like he fighting a fever. I leave him swimming with the fishes, put his ass in the freezer. I do it for the ancestors, God, I'm a redeemer. I do my bloody rain dance while I stomp on his femur. We make it rain on them, we make them come alive. It's either us or them, you gotta pick a side. And if you picking them, well then it's you or I. And if it's you or I, well then you gotta die. We make it rain on them, we make them come alive. It's either us or them, you gotta pick a side. And if you picking them, well then it's you